Hello kids, welcome to my new video. First we're going to know the colors name. Pink color, orange color, purple color, red color and sky blue color. Now let's learn the numbers counting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. First one. Number 1. Repeat again. Number 1. Repeat again, kids. It's number 1. Next, 2. Number 2. Repeat again. Number 2. Repeat again, kids. This is number 2. Next, 3. Number 3. Repeat again. Number 3. Repeat again, kids. Number 3. Next, 4. Number 4. Repeat again. Number 4. Repeat again, kids. Number 4. Next, 5. Number 5. Repeat again. Number 5. Repeat again, kids. It's number 5. What we learn? We learn 1, 1, 1, 2, 2, 2, 3, 3, 3, 4, 4, 4, 5, 5, 5. Next, 6. Number 6. Repeat again. 6. Number 6. Repeat again, kids. Number 6. Next, 7. Number 7. Repeat again. 7. Number 7. Repeat again, kids. 7. Number 7. Next, 8. Number 8. Repeat again. 8. Number 8. Repeat again, kids. It's 8. Number 8. Next, 9. Number 9. Repeat again. Number 9. Repeat again, kids. It's number 9. Next, 10. Number 10. Repeat again. 10. 1, 0, 10. Repeat again, kids. It's 1, 0, 10. What we learn? We learn 6, 6, 6, 7, 7, 7, 8, 8, 8, 9, 9, 9, 10 10 10 10 10 10. Thank you for watching my video. If you like it, please subscribe. Bye bye.